We are all born with the innate ability to communicate, make friends, build relations. Only thing is, we are sometimes not skilled enough to do so, and so we run away from doing so. Before the introduction of formal languages, early humans still found ways to communicate effectively. As human societies evolved, so did their methods of communication. Over time, the development of early language provided a more structured means of conveying the complex ideas and emotions. The evolution of language helped us in doing more sophisticated interaction, record keeping, and of course, the cultural development. So, we need to refine this skill, and if we are not skilled, it becomes hard to build trust and people find it difficult to believe on us. In this fast changing world, what you learn today may be completely irrelevant tomorrow, but the only thing which will help you sail in hard times is your skill set and adaptability. I'll share with you a very simple story of a hard-working man named Murugan. He lived in a village. Murugan used to cut wood for a furniture company the whole day long for his living. He did not take rest unnecessarily, did not waste his time, but still his productivity did not increase. He kept on working hard. A forest officer used to pass by every day and watch him doing the work very sincerely. One day, while he was passing by, he stood there for a while and suddenly stepped out of his jeep, went up to Murugan and said, "Murugan, it's time you should sharpen your axe." Murugan, without paying any heed to what he said, he kept on working and said, "Sir, I don't have time." The officer again stopped him and said, "You should find out time to chisel your axe because that will make your work easier. It will increase your productivity while putting in the same effort." In today's world, you can progress with smart work rather than only hard work. Murugan understood his point and thanked him for his guidance. In the same way, all of us should find out time to chisel our skills and especially communication skills because it affects the productivity and the effectiveness of almost every individual on this planet. Okay, suppose you are an educator. Okay, you may be very good at your own subject, but while explaining any concept to your students, if you are not able to arrange your thoughts, your knowledge properly into words, you cannot be effective in your work. Not being able to showcase your skills and competencies in an interview due to insufficient communication skill may cost you your dream job or your dream position. You may have very good understanding with your clients, you may be sincere at work, but if you are unable to do proper conflict management when necessary, you'll ultimately spoil your reputation. Suppose your boss, your senior, may have good knowledge of his work, but if he lacks team building or for say empathy while communicating with his team, he'll not be considered to be a good leader. Okay, you have a great product, great presentation skills, nice personality, but what's the use if your negotiation skills are compromised due to poor communication skills? Your growth will be at stake. I can keep on giving you examples. For all of the above and many more, you need to hone one skill. Yes, you got it right. Effective communication skill, which is the mother of all other skills. I'll end this video by quoting what Dr. A. Lawrence Lowell, he was the former president of Howard University, he said once that if you are ready to help yourself, then I'm always there for you. Believe me, so am I.